This is the earth chain spinner model HD-735, magnetic high-speed spinner, deburring and polishing machine, serial number 061215, also equipped with an earth chain model ESS 660 vibratory separator on the right.
Want to just go on to the separator? That's no timer based, that's strictly on off, so we can just show this straight away. Down low here, we're on the floor, but little on off switch down here. Currently running at, this is 110 plugged in. The other unit's 220, but this is a plug-in.
Okay.
Even though they're showing it as 220 single phase on the switch, I don't know why, because we just plugged it in, so that's what it is. Spring offs for the bucket and stuff, you know, so
yeah,
that's all good.
Excellent.
And more importantly, the spinner here. So sure. Now this one is 220 single phase and fully operational. The frequency drive is just set at 60 hertz. I just left it. That gets overridden by the actual speed control right here. Speed control works for timer 1, timer 2. Timer 1, you pick rotation. Timer 2, we're going reverse rotation. Other than that, it's strictly on-off for the control. We're currently on, and this green button over here starts the cycle, and that stops the cycle. And that's pretty much the whole business, other than if you want to turn buzzer on or off, we do have the buzzer on just to show that it works. And this whole thing comes up, of course. We're going to get a little clearer picture, but I keep it close, just whatever dust comes out of these needles. It's nice to have the cover on. Pretty straightforward display, but yeah, all works good. So pull back, and of course we got just a little handful of needles I put in here is all it is. So we ran it for a minute or two. Right now I'm currently about as low as you can go. I've got it set.
Pull this out for a sec, would you, just to show?
Yeah, I had it centered, but we'll have to recenter it. It's just a black pad. That's okay. I don't know if I'll get it back on there right.
All right.
Let me see what I can do. It's hard to tell where the center is now, so make a small difference, but we don't have any parts in there, so it's not critical. So we'll put the cover on. We can take that off when it's running low enough. What was I going to say? Oh, the two timers are currently set on minutes. So if you look, I've got them set at 1 minute. So this would be like a 2-minute video.
I can't. Okay.
Yeah, the one and the one, and you'll see the digital display come on when it's running. Other than, I don't know, they were set for 20 minutes when we received it. I'm just going to fire it up, and you'll see it start happening here. That's the switch there. You don't see a countdown timer, but we are on timer number 1. When the 1 minute is finished, it'll display it. And we're low enough right now where I can lower that down. Just kind of seeing there pretty good. Still on the 1 minute. We can raise it up a little bit. Watch the bowser off here. See. And if I put the plastic on, I'll go a little bit faster.
That's 30%?
70. This is all that's right here. Not, this is it right here. So, let's pull up. Almost 60 hertz. And that drops accordingly. That's about halfway. Now we're stopping and reversing. Watch. Okay. Now that timer's finished at 1. That one's counting. We got it. There's a few of them.
Yeah, put the top on. I want to get my eyes poked out. There we go.
Nah, they're just bouncing around. Now again, lower it back down. Now they stay in there. It's no problem. We have a few seconds to go here. Oh, it's working pretty good. one red light alarm, one buzzer, and then you hit reset before going to the next cycle over here, shuts off that, and we're ready for the next cycle. This is good. Control off.
Voltage,
Like I said earlier in the video at the beginning, 220 single phase. And the other one, even though it's marked 220, we're plugged in on a 110 extension cord
excellent.
as a set.